started this story as the title, A Gift of Chappals. Dear students, kindly pay attention. The Gift of Chappal. This story is divided into two parts. First part, already I told that the first part was related with kitten. What was the moral of the first part? To be kind to the animals. Mridu and cousins. Already they were very kind and loving towards the kitten. The question again will come that, sir, part first is not related with this title. What is the title? A Gift of Chappals. Okay. So part first we have started the last time. Part second is there about the lullies. Lully was learning the violin. Lully was learning the violin with the music master. So music master and lully. Let's see the picture. You can understand it very well. Now part second. Whenever the part second at that time we have to see. What we have to see? This is the music master and this is lully. Lully was learning the violin. At that time, through the window, the cousin means Bridu and cousin were peeping out. And what they had seen there? Here a girl whose name is Lully was learning the violin. All description we have to see. And then what happened about that? There was the description of beggar. A beggar came, and now what will happen? Let's see. Let's see here about the beggar. So what happened? The beggar opened his eyes very wide and gazed at each of the children one by one. So what happened? The beggar opened. So what happened about here? There was a beggar and all the elders were not interested to give something to the beggar. So here the ladies of this house, he said at last in a voice choked with feeling, are very kind souls. So this is the story related with compassion. Compassion means to be very kind towards others. So here the beggar was expected to have something because there was very hot atmosphere. And so here I have kept my body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. The beggar was very tired. The beggar was very hungry and he expected something from them. He was very tired, it was hot atmosphere, he decided to stay there. But what happened there? So here I cannot believe that they would turn me away. He raised his voice, Amma, Amma. This is the word of children. They were ready to be kind towards the beggar, but elders were not ready to help. That's why they were also like a same in opinion. They did not want to give something to the beggar. But what will happen here? Here, sad is well might be, but certainly wasn't feeble. And it began in a deep storm, what rumbled somewhere in his withered belly and came booming out his mouth with a few remaining teeth, saying brown with bitter chewing. So this is the whole description of beggar. Whenever I will ask that queries, at that time you should know the description of beggar. The situation of beggar was very worse due to hungriness, due to tiredness, and he expected something. Hot atmosphere was there, and so the children were watching, observing, and to be the kind and compassion and generosity towards the beggar. So here what happened that Ravi told him there is nothing left in the kitchen because of elder told like this. There was nothing, already the lunch over, so it's a time of afternoon and there was nothing remained. So what happened that called Rikkumannu. Rikkumannu was that aunt of Mridu. And then Rukkumanni said that there is nothing remained because all of the lunch over, it's a time of afternoon. And what happened? He is not come again. Tell him that she sounded fed up. It was afternoon. The time was very silent, alone. So what happened that they easily heard the sound and they repeated same sentences to the beggar. Rikkumannu said to children, children said to beggar. There was nothing, they were not ready to help. So what happened about that? Here Ravi didn't have to repeat it all the beggar because they were to be kind, compassion and generous towards the beggar. So here what is his mother said? It had been easy for them all to hear. Silence atmosphere, they repeat but they did not tell again that same thing to the beggar. They don't want to be hurt to the beggar. Dear student, are you getting the moral of this part? To be generous, to be kind, compassion towards the beggar. You know that the emotion of child always be generous towards the other. So here that said had been easy then there under the neem tree, the beggar sat up and sighed. He breathed very hardly. He was very tired. He sat under the neem tree because of hot atmosphere. Even though you should know that he was barefooted. There was no slipper in his feet. So what happened about that? I will go. He said, really, means he had not desired to stay there. He understood the other people were not interested to listen his story. Only let me have a rest here under this tree. The sun is so hot. The tar has melted on the road. My feet are already. It means understood? There were no slipper. There he was barefooted. So what happened about that? The blister, and he stretched out his feet to show a large pink peeling blister on the soles of his bare feet. And so, what happened? I suppose he doesn't have the money to buy chappals. This is the thing. Now, the title comes to the story related with chappal. Beggar was barefooted, hot atmosphere. He was too much trouble, and there was hot atmosphere. You know that the sun, you know that pouring the blood like that. It was really very hot atmosphere was there. He expected the slipper. So what happened about that? The children think, imagine that. What they imagine? They imagined that he needed the chappal, slipper. They were too generous to help him. So, Mridu whispered to Meena, Ravi, have you got an old pair in the house somewhere? This is the one of the stream of generosity. The children decided to help the beggar because there were no slipper to him in this such type of hot atmosphere. So what will happen? See, I don't know, said Ravi. Mine are too small to fit his feet. So it means that even though they were ready to help, but alas, the size of the slipper were very different than the beggar, because beggar was elder one, children were very little one. So this is the no size perfect. After at all, I have given them to him, and his feet were larger than Mridu's and Meena's. So Mridu, Meena, Ravi, their old slippers were useless. Now this is the point. What is the point? The children were ready to offer the slipper to the beggar. What type of value focus on this story? Generosity, kindness, sincerity, respect to elders. These are the things are here. After it, what is given there? The beggar. The beggar was shaking out his upper cloth and tightening his dhoti, and he raised his eyes and looked fearfully at the road gleaming in the afternoon heat. He was watching such a type of heat atmosphere. He was, even though he had no courage to keep one step in that such a type of atmosphere, because there was a hot sun. So here of that, he needs something on his feet. Meena said, her big eyes feeling it's not fair. It's not fair. This statement shows that children want to do something for the beggar. This is the value focus in this story. So what happened about that? What? He needs something. Shh, said Ravi. I'm thinking about it and blubbering. It's not fair. It's not fair. It means all where have made the mind to help, to be kind towards the beggar. So it's not fair. It's not fair. Isn't it going to help? In 2 minutes he will be flying his feet on that road. What he needs is a pair of chappal. So where do we get them? Come, let's search the house. He pushed Mridu, Meena into the house. This is the thing. Even though they did not say something only, they tried to get the efforts to help to the beggar. So they were searching the sleeper somewhere. This is the thing, this is the compassion. So what happened that just as she stepped into the veranda, Mridu's eyes fell on the odd-looking chappals. This is the story of Chappal. Let's look at the picture of Chappal whenever the Mridu and her grandmother one afternoon entered the house of Rikkumanyus. At that time what happened, even though she had observed that slippers are these old grey color slippers were perfect in the feet of beggar. So what happened that just as she stepped into that veranda, Mridu's eyes fell on the odd-looking chappals. So what was there? She had noticed when she arrived, maybe she whispered to him, "Whose are those? Whose slippers are those?" But one thing always dancing in his mind was, we have to give. That was the perfect chappals. Slippers were very perfect to the beggar. So what? Ravi turned and glanced at that shabby looking but sturdy old slippers. He beamed and nodded, "These are just the right size." He said, picking them up, Mridu and Meena following him nervously back into the garden. At last, they have decided to offer such a type of slippers to the beggar in the hot atmosphere. So here what is given there? Here said that Ravi to the beggar, dropping the slippers in front of the old man, "Wear these and don't come back. Wear these and don't come back." These words are uttered by the children to the beggar. But one thing is very important. They never think whose slipper those were. Whose slippers those were. They had decided to help the beggar at any cost. So what happened about the beggar stared at the slippers, hurriedly flung his towel over his shoulder, pushed his feet into them, and left muttering the blessing to the children. In a minute he had vanished around the corner of the street, and beggar went away. And what he had given? The bless which is very required, the bless which is very important for us. And the children got the bless by the beggar because such a type of help, such a type of generosity, such a type of compassion. So this is the word of children. This is the incident how the children help to the beggar. Dear student, this part is again next is there, that we will see in the next part. Up to here, this is the link. You got it? In the part first, we have to see the whole description of beggar. The beggar came, elders were not ready to help him, but alas, the children have compassion, they have make a mind to help the beggar, and at last, what type of help they did? They have offered that old slippers to the beggar in such a type of hot atmosphere. Up to this, I hope you got everything very well. If you have any problem related with this part, contact with me. Thank you very much.